they never get tired, and also they never get bored, and that's makes them quite superior for a job like this. And frankly, given the amount of hazardous objects on the belt, it's really not a good place for people to put their hands on these kind of sharp edges and other dangerous materials. The key thing for these robots is that they actually identify the waste objects on the belt. So they look at each and every object that comes in the belt and then figure out whether it's wood that has some nails in it, tiles or concrete, and then they put it in the correct chute for later processing.
The whole industry basically has had the challenge that a lot of the waste goes for incineration. So it's burned up, and that's not good for the nature and for the whole planet. So basically what we now do is we try to raise the level of recycling.